graph of y equals a, x minus b, x minus c is shown below. Identify the values of a, b, and c. Well, this is a factorized form, and therefore that would give us the roots. We can see a root here at -1 and a root here at 3. So that tells us our brackets are x plus 1 and x minus 3. We need to identify the a in front. Now, as we've seen, there's a couple of ways of doing that. Go to the vertex. If I go 1 unit right, it looks like I go 1 unit down. So that would make the a -1. So I'm going to say that a is -1, b is -1 because this one is x plus 1, comparing with the x minus b up here, and that c is equal to 3. Now remember, you could use the intercept as well to find the a. Can we state the completed square form from the graph? Well, the vertex here I can see is at 1, 4. The a will be the same as it was here. So it's going to be negative, and then it's going to be x minus 1 squared plus 4. Think about when x is 1. That would be -0 add 4, which is 4, which would put us at the vertex. Think about when x is 0. That would give us -1 plus 4, which is 3, and that puts us at the right point here as the y-intercept. So this would be the completed square form. Now we want to do the same thing here, which is in the form a, x minus b, x minus c, and of course the factorized part is found from the roots, which we can see are at 1 and at 5. So we've got x minus 1, x minus 5. And then we can go to the vertex and go 1 unit across, and that goes 3 units upwards. So that makes the a 3. So a is 3, b is 1, c is 5. Now I'm just going to check that with the intercept here at 15. I'm going to check that value of a because it can be difficult to see on the graph here. So let's just think about that. If I've got y is equal to a, x minus 1, x minus 5, and I think that that a is 3, what happens when x is 0? Y is going to be 3 times -1 times -5, which is 15. So that does give us the correct intercept. So for completed square form, finally, I want the vertex, which I can see is at 3, -12. So that is going to give me y is equal to 3 because the a will be the same. And then I'm going to have x minus 3 squared take away 12. And remember, the -3 comes from changing the sign there, and the y coordinate stays the same sign.